Jordan Peterson often stresses the importance of hard work and self-improvement as a means of creating a fulfilling and meaningful life. According to Jordan Peterson, hard work is essential for success in any endeavor. He argues that success is not simply a matter of luck or talent, but rather it is the result of sustained and consistent effort over time. This means that in order to achieve success, we must be willing to put in the hard work and effort necessary to overcome challenges and obstacles. In addition to being necessary for success, hard work is also an important means of personal growth and development. By putting in the effort to overcome challenges and improve ourselves, we can gain a sense of accomplishment and pride in our achievements. This in turn can help to build our self-confidence and sense of self-worth, leading to increased feelings of happiness and fulfillment. Self-improvement is another important aspect of Jordan Peterson's lectures on the value of hard work. He emphasizes the importance of constantly striving to become the best version of ourselves, whether that means learning new skills, setting and working towards goals, or developing new habits. By constantly seeking to improve ourselves, we can not only achieve greater success in our personal and professional lives, but we can also become more resilient and adaptable in the face of life's challenges. However, Jordan Peterson also cautions that the path of hard work and self-improvement is not always easy or straightforward. He acknowledges that there will be times when we face setbacks and failures, and that it is important to learn from these experiences and persevere in spite of them. He encourages his listeners to embrace the challenges of life as opportunities for growth and to see setbacks as temporary rather than permanent. In conclusion, Jordan Peterson's lectures on the value of hard work and self-improvement offer a powerful and inspiring message. By putting in the effort to work hard and constantly seek to improve ourselves, we can create fulfilling and meaningful lives and achieve success in all areas of our lives.